All right, big day here. We have a container that just is arriving right now, and this has the curved windows for the EcoPod, lots of fiberglass, and a chopper gun, which is meant to put fiberglass strands through, and then you spray it on. So it's going to help increase our speed of production dramatically, we hope. So now we just have to figure out where to put everything. Probably going to put the window frames inside where they're covered from the elements. Fiberglass inside the factory, just because we need to unload the truck as quickly as possible. And the glass is on the inside, so we have to figure out where we're going to put them. The sheets of glass are quite large, so yeah, we're not sure where we're going to put the glass yet. We'll figure it out. Okay, windows. There's a lot of windows. There's enough windows here to make almost 3 EcoPods. So not quite 3, because we originally made all the dimensions with a slightly smaller window area, but we decided to make the windows a little bit bigger, actually, going more around the circumference. There was an area before where we weren't going to cover with windows, but now it's even bigger. So we should have enough for 2 3/4 or 2.5 EcoPods. There's some very tall windows, and then we have some less tall ones. Yeah, it's hot. Mucha color. They're saying it's very hot. It's we have to manually unload the truck, so it's a lot of work. We have most of the crew working to do this right now. But there's a lot. There's about 100 different pieces we're pulling off, all the different sections of the windows and the frames, and then we have other parts that came as well for fiberglass supplies. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting these installed. It's probably going to be 2 or 3 weeks before we'll be ready to install them. But when we do, we will film it so you can be there too. These are one of the window frames. This is the smaller size, and even the small size is pretty huge. Then it can get you a good view of the larger size windows. These window frames are 5 meters long, so they're really massive.